Okay, this time I had the engine tore apart, completely tore apart. Piston, I think, shoot, I can't even remember if it's piston number 1 or 2, I don't know. I don't remember. This piston was burning coolant. All this is rust. It was rust, and take a look at the bearing. That thing is shot. It's done. That's why it was. It had a lot of plate. I was making a lot of noise. And take a look at that thing right there. Pretty rusty. There is a scratch. One of the scratches I was mentioning in the previous videos. There's one right there. And I apologize for my phone. I supposed to be one of the good ones. I don't know. I was reviewing one of the videos I make, and it was like, man, that's really poor quality. Anyway, look at that thing. The crankshaft right there is done. This crankshaft is done. All the contamination, all the contamination in the engine. There's another one, he just drove by. I will see you here soon. So all the metal from the bearings and piston rings, troubles everywhere on the engine, and the damage. Look at that right there. The damage, the complete engine. Yep, it's bad. Bad. Everywhere is bad. Every single connected rod bearings bad. This one is not bad, but it doesn't matter. Just the block is good, but nothing else is good, so it doesn't matter. So here's the piston rings. Let's see. Okay. What I'm looking for is, let's see. Okay. Right here, these two, they're not supposed to be there. One is supposed to be like one's supposed to be here, and the other one's supposed to be here, and the other one here, and the other one here, and it goes back again here or here, but never here, like these two together. So I'm not trying to put any dirt in anybody, but okay, that one is good. So okay, so see right there is the other one. The gap is what I'm looking for, the gap. But why it was burning coolant, I don't know. Bad quality gaskets, I don't know. Let's see. This is the other piston ring. Let's see, piston ring. Okay, see, there is one right there, like I was mentioning, like right here, and that one is right there. So like I say, one here, one here, one here, one here, and the other one there or there. And the little ones, it's hard to say. Oh, there is one right there. So, yep. So the other one should be right there, which is like 10 o'clock or something like that. Yep, so it's like this, but it doesn't matter, you know, it doesn't matter. So when you hear a knocking on the engine, as you can see right here, all this metal, look at that, all the metal, stay away from that car and take a look, and just grab a little just grab a napkin, a clean napkin, and grab a sample, oil sample, because this metal is gonna be everywhere if you guys gonna buy a new car. So you never know how the previous owners treat the car. So I don't know. This entire thing here, you know, is a bad deal. Bad deal for the guy. You know. Yep. Well, I hope this video educate you a little bit. So whenever you see metal on the oil change, or when you grab a sample on the dipstick, you know what's gonna happen later. Okay, well, that's the mystery of this engine. 2012 Subaru STI right there. That's the engine for that car. Okay, have fun with the cars. Bye bye.